Hi, everyone. We're ready. Hello, everyone. Meet our friends, Rusty and Solid. Today's K-proverb is 빈수레가 요란하다.
Make way for the king of the road! Clatter! Bang! I'm so fast I'm practically flying! Hear that? That's the sound of pure power! I bet you're jealous of my beautiful voice, Solid!
The loudest drums are often full of nothing but air, Rusty. Real weight doesn't need to scream.
빈수레가 요란하다!
An empty wagon is noisier. It's like the English proverb, empty vessels make the most noise. People who lack substance often talk the loudest.
Remember, guys, 빈수레가 요란하다. True experts don't need to shout. See you next time on K-Proverb Talk Talk.